Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo! What up, guys? What's good? What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? What it mother effing do? What it is? Today is a product review follow-up video, or product review, aka product review video of the Eachine set of 5 or 5-piece Lipo batteries with a JST adapter, okay, that plugs into an aftermarket charger, because these batteries come with an adapter and they plug into an aftermarket charger, or like the charger that I have, the SJRC. They work great with that, but only one end. You stick in one end and you can only charge 1 or 2 batteries at a time, unfortunately, but it does work. These are basically, like I said, the Eachine Lipo batteries. They're the Eachine 1S 3.7 volt Lipos for the Eachine 010, the Eachine 011. These are the drones that they're compatible with, okay? The Fury B F36, the Fury B H108, I believe it's 108, not 801, 108. And that's the camera one. It comes with the camera. You can actually use the camera on your iPhone or Android device, Apple or Android device, that is. And what else? What other model are they compatible with? They're not compatible with the Horizon. They're not compatible with the Horizon Hobby Blade Inductrix, or any of the Blade Inductrix is. All right, and yeah, they're not compatible basically with any other Horizon Hobby drone. Okay, small drone that size. I'm talking about these little tiny whip drones that are probably about the size of this box, maybe just a little bit smaller. Okay. But the batteries I got are not compatible with the Eachine 012 either, okay? These are not compatible, unfortunately, with the Eachine 012, that little micro mini drones, okay? And I got 2 of those. I got one that's in black and one that's in yellow. If you guys haven't seen my older videos, go check them out. They're my older videos. All right, and I'm just basically doing a follow-up product review on these Lipo batteries. All right, there's 5 in total, or there should be 5. And of course, they came in this original box. And I had purchased these from Banggood, guys, okay? So these are from Banggood. I believe Banggood. Yeah, Banggood. They're from Banggood for sure. All right? And once again, JST. They got a JST end. I don't know what the other plug is called, but I know the red one is a JST for a fact. And then you got another one. All right? And then you got your attachments right here, and you got 5 of them to charge all 5, and they're pronged. They got 2 prongs. Okay, so they're double pronged, each plug. And once again, there's the other side. It plugs into a aftermarket charger. All right, one has 3.7 volt battery charger. And then you get these batteries. All right, now I'm gonna tell you what my experience was with these. I'm gonna let you know, are they a go? Are they not a go? On a scale of 1 to 10, what they are. And should you buy these? All right, especially from another aftermarket website other than Banggood. Should you buy these, yay or nay, yes or no? In my opinion, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a 9. These are a solid 9. Yes, you should buy them. If you are into tiny whoops like myself, you know, you either have an FPV camera attached to your drones, or you don't have an FPV camera, these are a go. These are phenomenal batteries. And believe it or not, folks, you don't only get 150 milliamps to 260 milliamps like most typical batteries that come with your drones when you purchase them, for whatever price you purchase them at, brand new that is. They're not only 150 milliamp or 260 milliamp, because most of these type of batteries are 260 milliamps. These are 300 milliamps, okay? And they still fit, so you get extra runtime. You get 40 extra milliamps in the normal standard 260 milliamp battery this size, okay? Not smaller, but this exact size, and almost the same length as well. Oh, by the way, big con I was going to tell. I'm sorry, guys, I was wrong. Real quick before I get off to that, these are actually not compatible with the Fury B F36. They're too long to fit inside the chassis. But if you modify the chassis and you shave off the back of the battery tray that actually holds it from the back, that actually prevents it from sliding in any further. If you cut that out with a what do they call those blades that they sell in hobby shops nowadays, or in stores that sells, and so in stores that sell appliances like craft appliances, you know, arts and crafts and stuff like that. What do they call it? Exo knives, okay? If you purchase an Exo knife, you need an Exo knife to do this, okay? And you got to do it the right way. I've seen a guy do it on YouTube. I forgot what his channel name was, but he's a guy that flies drones. And he modified his Fury Bee F-36, I believe it was the F-36, to fit bigger batteries because he can only get the ones that are about this length. But the thing is, they cut off right to about here. I'm going to show you right now, okay? They cut off where my finger is. They're that much shorter than these ones, okay? They're about actually right there. Okay, so about half an inch shorter, and they're only about 150 milliamp. But with these, you can use these in that chassis, okay? It's wide enough, I believe. But if it's not, you can do modifications like I said. But you can use these with the Fury Bee F-36. I wasn't able to, unfortunately. But with all of my other drones, as far as the Eachine 011s that I have, 2 of them that is, the Eachine 010s, I also got 2 of those, a green and a red. And what else? The Fury Bee, I believe it's the Fury Bee H108. You can use these with those drones that I just mentioned, okay? With those models. But you can't use them with the Fury Bee F-36 unless you do that modification, and you can't use them with the Eachine the 012s. Okay, which I also have 2 of. All right, but other than that, like I said, they're a go. Hold on, I'm doing a review video. Stop. Okay, she doesn't understand. I'm sorry, guys. Not only do you get extra runtime, but you get a good quality Lipo. All right, in these Lipo batteries. And once again, they're each 1S, 3.7 volt. And I believe that's just the model number right there, 181103. And like I said, guys, they come with these connectors right here. I forgot what they call these connectors. But they're like your standard 1S LiPo battery. All right, for most of your tiny whoop drones like the Fury Beans and Eachines. These are the kind of plugs that they use, all right, or adapters. And the plug that's actually on the motherboard of the Eachines and the Fury Bees nowadays, they all have this this connection right here, okay? They have this shape attached to the board, the plug, okay? I don't know what they call these, male or female. I don't know what these ends are and what the other ends are called on the drones themselves, on the motherboard. But anyways, they're on the chipboard, motherboard, whatever. All right, I don't know what they call them. I know they go by male and female, right? As far as like the orientation and the shape and everything, and one goes in and, you know, one takes the plug and one goes into the actual unit itself, all right? Anyways, hope you enjoyed this review video, guys. I'm sorry I sounded confused, or I sounded like I don't know what the hell I was talking about today. This video was a little rushed. I just wanted to get it out there. And I'm just relaxed today, guys. I'm in a calm mood. I'm not super excited, but I'm not super irritated or anything either. I'm just, you know, just in a regular mood, guys. I'm just chilling like a villain, you know. Having fun under the sun. You know, the sun's starting to go down over here where I'm at. And you do get 5 and they come in this pouch. All right, like I said, they come in that brown box that fell off the table. I'll get it after I end this video. And it comes with this attachment, okay? So look this up on Banggood. All right, you can get a set of 5 for, how much was it? $13, guys? I only paid $11.99 plus tax, or $12.99, something like that, okay? And it came out 13 bucks and some change. Put it on my card, and it arrived. It took a while, guys, I'll admit. It took about 2 weeks. But it arrived in about 2 weeks, all right? And it was from a warehouse in the United States. So US shipping, it takes about a week and a half to 2 weeks, all right, guys? Roughly 8 to 10 business days, sometimes 11 to 12, maybe 13 at most, maybe, all right? Or 14. All right, guys, take care. I'll catch y'all later. Gorilla Bear Tech signing out. Peace. Take care, y'all.